Scan for SOVI and straight A's only. Let's go! Calculus limits can look intimidating, but solving this derivative problem is actually super quick if you follow these 3 simple steps to find the right answer. The derivative of a function at a point A is defined as the limit of the difference quotient as x approaches A. We use this to express the slope at 3. Now substitute our function g of x equals natural log of 1 plus 2x and set a to 3. Calculating g of 3 gives us the natural log of 7. Comparing our derived expression to the choices, we see that option A perfectly matches our limit definition. The structure confirms the derivative at the point 3. You got it! Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the trap of wrong limits and always check the function value at the point.